Yeah, I got it going now. It's raining, and sitting here on under this tin roof. Oh yes, you can hear it. Calm, soothing sound. Sit here and go to sleep listening to this. You see the water out there. Rain hitting the water, hitting this tin roof. Oh yeah. I just feel sorry for them people over there on that island. Their water's already up. And it's getting higher. Is that a boat coming in? Or out on the river? Sound like he's out on the river and it's rough out there. Y'all probably can't hear that, but I'm down here on the bayou and it's raining. Diddy got him a new weather station set it up out there. It works good. There's a big fish that strikes right out there amongst them reeds. And then again further up there just a little bit. Every day he's out there. Once or twice a day you'll see him come up. You don't see him, but you see where he comes up and grabs a bug or something. He's always out there. Every day. If we ever do manage to catch him, he might break our line because he's a big one. Well, it's beautiful down here. Everything's going good. This rain, it'll make the crops grow. If you got any crops, it'll make the grass grow. Well, I appreciate everybody watching. Bye.